What do you call a man or a woman that can't breathe underwater?
I don't know that.
Nah, I get that one.
Yeah, peeps, welcome to episode 22 of the questions and right now within a Falmouth. So you see all of the Falmouthians them, and you can't stop cuss we. And you don't know the vibes there, everything there, I want to kick it off right now. So you don't know as usual, they always give me a little trouble, don't it? I can't wait for it. Alright. Alright, first thing I do, just give me a name.
You know, what's your name?
Steve.
Shakia Miller.
Shantia. Ashe.
Sharon Top.
Eh?
Sharon Top.
Javian Man.
Didi.
Ronaldo.
Kirk.
Kevrai.
Matthew. Martin. Ryan.
Jamaica.
David Jarrett.
Yo, Sanjay Johnson, aka
AKA what?
BUHN'S.
I'm in Bynes.
Ocean.
Jay.
Tata.
Tristan.
Tata.
Where you get that name then?
Yo, you know, say from primary, me get it. Yeah, man, I'm Regine, give me a name, man.
You just give a name, sir?
Yeah, man, you just give me a name.
Alright, the first question, alright? You have 10 fish and 5 Joe, how much left?
You have 10 fish and 5 what?
5 Joe, how much left?
And 5 Joan. You know 5 left.
5. Sure.
But I tell you say, and 5 Joan.
Fish can Joan?
Eh?
Fish can Joan.
Of course.
10 fish and 5 John.
How much left?
10 left.
10. Alright, why?
Because I have 10 left and 5 John.
None fish can drown.
You have 10 fish and 5 Joan, how much left?
10 fish and 5 John.
Yeah.
No 5.
5. How come?
Because 5 no John.
You sure? Last answer.
Well, yeah man.
No 5.
5.
Yeah.
Sure.
Yeah, cause you have 10 fish and 5 of them drown. 5 of them gone. Not true, so no must 5 left.
So you sure the fish can Joan?
Yo.
Alright.
You have 10 fish and 5 Joan.
Yeah.
Fish can Joan.
Fish can't join, brother.
Fish can Joan, man.
Alright.
10 of them cause fish can Joan, not water they live in.
You have 10 fish and 5 Joan.
How much left?
Fish can Joan, second one.
Fish can drown.
10 left but a 5 alive.
But no fish can drown. The fish not drown.
Fish can Joan. Fish can Joan. Fish can Joan. Can Joan.
A cowboy ride up on Friday, right? Spend 4 days and come back on Friday. How that possible?
Alright. Huh?
First of all, 7 days make 1 week. Say Friday up on 4 days. You know come back on Friday. Come on, man. Give me some other question, man. I don't expect this.
But him come back on Friday?
No, but that's impossible.
Impossible.
Oh, that's possible? He ain't go out on Friday and spend 4 days and come back on Friday. Can't possible.
Can't possible.
No, sir. Can't Friday to Friday I eat there. Friday to Friday I eat there. Friday to Friday I eat there.
They ask you how you are, you just have to say that you're fine when you're not really fine, but you just can't get into it because they would never understand.
Oh, that possible?
Yeah.
What you saying, Red?
Ride out on Friday.
The horse named Friday.
I don't know, no.
Listen.
Yeah, it's named Friday. Friday gone already.
Eh? Friday gone already?
Yeah. Brother, man, no move from Friday, bad man.
I want the puzzle me still in your puzzle.
Well, that's impossible now way, but you can't, anything can happen still. Because you can't use one day and do another, and the next coming the next.
But him ride out on Friday, you know, and go spend 4 days and still come back on Friday. How that possible?
Well, he must come back the other week Friday.
Spend 4 days.
Spend 4 days.
And still come back on Friday. How that possible?
Boy. Axonite chop them.
Ride out on Friday.
Yeah.
And spend 4 days. Spend 4 days.
Yeah.
And come back Friday.
Yeah.
Boy. You not check that one.
That one the chicken man. Can't look like can't get that one.
Where's the Jenna?
Pass.
Skip that one there, because we don't know that one there.
What the answer? Alright.
Oh!
Yeah, alright. Yeah, here we go. Next one, right? A cowboy ride out on Friday. Spend 4 days, but still come back on Friday. How that possible?
Fully done. We fully done, man.
Fully done.
Yeah, we fully done.
Yes,
I felt out of school.
What do you call a man or a woman that can't breathe underwater?
Woman that can't breathe underwater.
What do you call a man or a woman that can't breathe underwater?
No, sir, that one there opposed to me.
Boy, woman.
So we in the water, we are breathing.
Can't breathe underwater.
Fish.
Up, nigga. Wool up. Just wool up. Do me a favor, please. Get out of here. Get out of here, man. Shit, I'm saying.
You, man. Me blank. Me an idiot, me can't answer that one day. I don't know about that. Yeah? Me don't know nothing about that.
You say you don't know nothing about that?
Somebody to just clap your hands and shout like you know who you serve in this room.
I don't know that one. It's a man or woman that can't breathe underwater.
Man or woman that can't breathe underwater. What you call a man or a woman that can't breathe underwater?
When you sit the name again, man.
Mermaid and merman. So can't you say? Oh, man, yeah, you know.
What do you call a man or a woman that cannot breathe underwater?
Yeah.
What do you call a man or a woman that cannot breathe underwater? Why better you give me that one there? No?
Can't breathe underwater.
No man or woman. What do you call a man
Or woman.
or woman and can't breathe underwater? No fish.
I'm chest. I can't breathe.
Yes, our boss.
What you call a man and a woman?
Yeah, man or woman.
We can't breathe underwater.
Yeah.
Man, you can't breathe underwater. A man or woman, you can't breathe underwater. Man or woman say this.
Man or woman.
Yeah, man.
What do you call a man or a woman that can't breathe underwater?
I don't know that.
Nah, you get that one. You get that one.
What you say, my general? What you call a man or a woman who can't breathe underwater?
Mama.
No. No. Hell no.
Sure. Alright. I like that, my general. Yeah, peeps, thanks for watching the next episode of The Questions, which is episode 22. You get me I say? And you don't know so we're there in a Falmouth. Watch out now, it get late, so we are gonna move. So here we want to do for now. Like, share, and also subscribe. When you subscribe, just hit the notification bell, don't it? What we want to do after that too is check out the music we are come after this. You don't know, my little brother put out a new song and I want to get a look. You get me I say? You don't know your boy Jnel. Watching the peeps, I'm out.
Me know what this, them never want to see her. Some set it on a level nobody can forget, no. Infinity, yo Otto, capture them girl like pigeon. When we roll out, not be my with the rims, them spinning, I'm winning. Oh God, I'm winning. Oh God, I'm winning.